Alright, I don't know if anybody sees that. Yo, but what? Hold on. There's like an array of lights. Like, you see that, right? That's right there underneath the light pole. Like, holy shit, what is that, bro? Make sure no cars are coming. I'm in my neighborhood, bro. This crap is visible. It's right there, like in a straight line. Oh my god, it's... Hold on. Right there, you see it? What is that, bro? I mean, it's a line and it's steadily moving. I'm walking my dog right now, so we're gonna walk as close as we can. Bro, what is that, bruh? Stop. And it just disappeared. It's still going though. Hold on, bro. Like, stop, Daisy. My dog is being a nutcase right now for some odd reason.